my name is Sidney, and today we're going to use simple dance phrases of changing level to identify and continue pattern. I find that children are really successful creating level shapes, as you can see here. It helps to give them a clear visual so we can recognize pattern while we're moving. We begin building a dance phrase using children's shapes. My friends, show me your absolute favorite low-level shape. Oh, yes, I see a lot of bent knees, some curved spines. Oh, wow. Can we follow your shape? It's a long arm here and one arm bent and both knees bent. Wow. Thank you for sharing that shape. I love how everybody's following, showing respect to my friend. Nice. Let's all sing here. Low. Low. Nice job. Okay, now show me your favorite medium level shape. Oh, wow. I see cross legs, back pitched forward, an arm long to the side. Oh, let's put those all together, my friends. Ready? Medium. Sing with me. Medium. Let's put them together. Ready? Low. Then medium. And then show me your favorite high level shape, my friends. What does that look like? Oh, I see a lot of reaching fingers to the sky. I see some friends up on their toes. A lot of us are in the letter X. That's fun. Let's use that. Ready? High. Let's put it all together. Ready? Low. Medium. High. Again. Low. What's next? Medium. You're right. What's next? High. And next? Low. Wait a minute. When you know what comes next and it's happening over and over again, we made a pattern. That's right. We made a dancing pattern, my friends. Now, teachers, this can be a little bit tricky to see and feel while we're moving through it. It is there and gone. It's a good challenge, but we might need some visuals. Here is an example of some flashcards I use. Here's low, medium, high. Yeah. Another way to make this visual for each other to see is for our friends to dance a pattern for friends in audience place. Yeah, so maybe pass on the flashcards to them and have them create a pattern. Maybe you give them an assignment, A, A, B, C. Some friends choose high, high, low, medium. They pick their stem. They choreograph their shapes, high, high, low, medium, and they practice it. They rehearse that, matching one another. Maybe they're working in small groups. Maybe they're working with a partner, making sure they're very clear with their level shapes. And then, when they're ready, they perform for audience, friends in audience. Now, the audience has a job to really observe closely, recognize those levels, and find the pattern. The dancers have to be very clear with their bodies so that the audience can guess the pattern. When they guess the pattern, everybody wins. So many ways to learn here. Keep creating.